Do you want to organize your content better on NetShort? In this video, I will show you how to manage your categories on the NetShort app step by step so you can customize what you watch and improve your browsing experience. So let's go to see how it works. The first thing you have to do is to go to NetShort app. In this page, you will go to this sign of profile, so you will tap on profile. After that, here in this page, you will go to this sign of your categories, so we click on my categories in this window, and here as you see you will choose your gender. If you to choose gender of categories, here we will recommend the best drama. You can choose male or female like this. Here you will find characters. You can choose any characters you want. Here also genre, here story, and here style. As you see, you can choose whether you want. As you see here, let's choose like this, time travel, rich family, karma, love, or something like this here. And then style, you can choose if you want tragedy or drama or horror or dark or anything you want. Then you can click on confirm. So that's it. If you are enjoying watching this video and if this video is helpful for you, don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.